The thermal relief valve is a vital safety feature found in most pressure washers today. But what exactly does it do, and why is it so useful? Today, we will cover that and more in another APW Repair Center video. When you operate a pressure washer, water is continuously flowing through the pump here and through the outlet here. If the trigger on the spray gun is released, the water stops flowing out of the tip, but the water continues to circulate through the head section of the pump here. As the water circulates without an outlet, it starts to heat up. Without a way to release this heat, the high temperature risks damaging the internal pump components like valves and seals. This is where the thermal relief valve comes in. When the water inside the pressure washer reaches a certain temperature, the thermal relief valve opens and releases the overheated water. As the overheated water is being released, cool water flows into the pump head from the garden hose. Most thermal valves expel water at around 145 degrees, but this will depend on what brand and type of pump you have. The release of hot water effectively protects internal pump components from damage caused by overheating. While thermal valves don't require any maintenance, they should be regularly checked for any external signs of wear or damage and replaced if necessary. Thermal valves, like most components in a pressure washer pump, can accumulate mineral deposits or hard water buildup from repeated exposure to water. Over time, this can cause the thermal valve to get stuck in either the open or closed position. For this reason, we suggest replacing your thermal valve about every 2 years to reduce the risk of thermal valve failure or malfunction. Replacing a thermal valve is usually a quick and easy repair that requires minimal tools. Thermal valves do come in different shapes and sizes, so yours might look different than ours, but these valves will always be external and easy to access, like this one here. Most thermal valves are installed with some sort of thread sealant, so in extreme cases, you may need to use a heat gun or other heat source to allow the valve to break loose. Using a wrench, we will remove and replace the valve. We suggest using thread sealant on your new valve to prevent any leaks. After this replacement, our pump is now re-protected from accidental overheating. For more pressure washer tips and maintenance advice, visit our website or check out more videos on our YouTube channel.